A very good morning, class 6th. So, we were continuing with the chapter adjectives, and we have completed up till adjective and its kind, and then we have read about the position of adjectives, and now we have come to chapter number 11, degrees of adjectives, right? Chapter 11, degrees of adjective. So, as you all know, degrees of adjectives of quality, right? So, what is the degrees of adjectives? Do you know anything about it? Have you heard about it? So, as we have discussed in chapter 9, so that an adjective is a word that describes a noun, right? ये तो हमने बात कर ली है कि जो एडजेक्टिव है वो डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड कहलाता है. इट डिस्क्राइब्स द कलर, साइज, quality, attribute, characteristics, quality of quantity of the personal traits of noun and a pronoun. So we also discussed that of the 8 kinds of adjectives. We have discussed all the 8, and then it denotes the kind or the quality of a noun or a pronoun, and it can be expressed in any of the following forms. So there are 3 degrees of adjectives. First degree is called the positive degree. There no comparison is there. The second degree is the comparison degree, where we are comparing a thing, a person, a kind, anything. It can be two things, two persons. Means if we are comparing something, that means that the comparison is between the two. So whenever we are comparing between two things, then the comparative degree is used. And the third one is the superlative degree. That is when we are talking about among the best, right? So we use different degrees of adjectives of quality to express. And usually जो हमारी when we describe about the quality, then only we use the degrees. जब हम किसी की क्वालिटी के बारे में बताते हैं तभी हम अक्सर क्वालिटी यूज वो करते हैं ना, डिग्री यूज करते हैं. वो अच्छा है. आई सेड ही इज गुड. ही इज बेटर देन राम. Now I'm comparing between he and Ram, right? And when I say that he is best from all in the class, so here I am talking about that he is the best from one. He is the best one from the whole class. That means I am talking about the superlative degree. First one is the positive degree, that is the base form. He is good. There is no comparison. वो अच्छा है. वो राम से अच्छा है. ये हो गई comparative degree, that is the second form. He is good than Ram. Then the third degree, he is best among all. वो सबसे अच्छा है. हम सब में से उसकी बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. तो these are 3 degrees of comparison in adjectives. So we use different degrees of adjectives to express the above. Positive degree for no comparison, comparative degree for the comparison between two things or two groups, and the superlative degree for the comparison with the many. So look at the following sentences. Safal is a tall boy. Now, if I say Safal is a tall boy, right? Here, which degree is used? There is no comparison. So this is the first form, that is the positive degree. Okay. Then if I say that Safal is taller than Nilesh. Safal is taller than Nilesh. Now here I am comparing between the two, Safal and Nilesh. So when we are comparing between the two, comparison हमेशा 2 में होता है, इससे ज़्यादा में नहीं होता है. कंपैरिजन हमेशा 2 में होता है. अगर 2 से ज़्यादा की हम बात कर रहे हैं तो वो अमंग होगा और सुपरलेटिव डिग्री वहाँ पर यूज़ होती है. So here we are comparing that Safal is taller than Nilesh. कि Nilesh से भी वो tall है. So here we are using the comparative degree. And if I say that Safal is tallest in our group, Safal is tallest in our class. So here I am talking from whole of the class. So here I am talking about the best, means he is the tallest. Tall is the positive degree, taller comparative degree, tallest is the superlative degree. So here nobody is taller than him. This is the superlative degree. So these are the three degrees. Here there is no comparison. Here there is a comparison between the two groups or two persons, and here we are talking about the among the best, one among the best. So Divya is a talented employee. If I say Divya is a talented employee, so talented is a positive degree. There is no comparison in. दिव्या इज मोर टैलेंटेड देन रोहित. दिव्या इज मोर टैलेंटेड देन रोहित. अब रोहित और दिव्या की हम कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं, सो दैट मीन्स मोर हमने लगा दिया. मोर इज यूज्ड व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टू पीपल, व्हेन वी आर कंपेयरिंग द टू पीपल और द टू ग्रुप्स और द टू थिंग्स. दैट मीन्स वी आर यूजिंग द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री, दैट इज द सेकेंड डिग्री ऑफ द adjective. So that means here it means that Divya is more talented than the Rohit. So third one is that Divya is the most talented employee in the office. Now we are talking about that Divya is the most talented among the all. पूरी क्लास में से दिव्या जो है सबसे talented है. So here we are talking about the superlative degree. So it doesn't mean that every time we will use ER or EST. No, we have discussed it earlier also that degrees can be formed either by adding ER or EST or by adding more and most. Okay, so now what we have to remember is comparative degree is followed by a then. जो हमारी comparative degree है बच्चे, वो अक्सर then से follow होती है. जैसे कि now comparative degree is always followed by that. Then यूज होता है हमेशा इसके पीछे. While the superlative degree is preceded by the, and superlative degree जो है is preceded by the. Now we will see that how. Your painting is better than mine. For example, your painting is better than mine. So here we are comparing between your and mine. So here it is then आ गया ना, यहाँ पे ये देखिए better than. So it is followed by then. So this is comparative degree. And if I say his handwriting is best, his handwriting is the best. In the class. So this is superlative degree. यहाँ पे हम द लगा रहे हैं, that means preceded by. द पहले लगेगा superlative degree में. ये हमारी superlative degree है, ये हमारी comparative degree है. तो जो superlative degree है उससे पहले हम द लगाते हैं, ठीक है. और जो comparative degree है उसके बाद हमेशा then लगता है. Clear to you? Now we come to the positive degree. पहले हम इसके बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं. So positive degree is the base form of the adjective. So this is the base form of the adjective. ये base form होती है adjective की. First point. Then it does not express comparison. It is used with no comparison, and no comparison is used here. No comparison is done here. So here no comparison is expressed and it is the base form of the adjective. For example, she is a tall girl, he is a kind boy. She is a tall girl, he is a kind boy. Okay, so here these words are the positive degree and it shows no comparison. It is just the base form of the adjective. ये एक quality बता रही है, that's it. There is no comparison. Clear to you? So you have to start writing with the definition part. You will start writing that what are the degrees of, you will start from here, that yes, you will start writing from here positive degree, comparative degree and with the examples. Okay. So now we come to the comparative degree. So now we come to the comparative degree, the second one. So here the comparison is there between the two things or the two groups. So comparative degree of adjective of quality is used to express a characteristic of one thing in comparison to another thing. So in this, the characteristic of one thing or a person is expressed, is compared in comparison to another one. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, एक पर्सन की जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है वो दूसरे पर्सन के साथ या दूसरी चीज़ के साथ कंपेयर की जाती है. Another one or a thing. So it makes comparison between two things. So makes comparison between two things. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, हम दो चीज़ों में या दो लोगों में कंपैरिजन करते हैं हमेशा. ठीक है. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एंड द वर्ड देन इज मोस्टली यूज्ड. द वर्ड देन is followed by a used after comparative. So for example, now we'll take the examples. The first one is, a cup is smaller than a glass. Smaller, ये हमारी comparative degree आ गई. And which two things we are comparing here? Cup and a glass. So these two things are being compared, and we are telling the quality that the cup is smaller than the glass or glass is bigger than the cup. We can write in either way. He is junior to me. He is junior to me. तो हम अक्सर, वैसे तो यहाँ पे then लगता है, पर कई बार to भी लग जाता है. ठीक है. यहाँ पे आ गया जूनियर, ये हमारी कंपैरेटिव है, एंड दीज टू पीपल आर, he and me are in comparison. Then dad prefers tea to coffee. Dad prefers tea to coffee. So here tea and coffee is being compared and the to is used as the like then जैसे यूज होता है वैसे ही यहाँ पे to यूज होता है. So but sometimes the word to may also be used, but usually the word then is maximum used, but sometimes to is also used. जो to है वो भी अक्सर यूज होता है. Now we come to the superlative degree. Superlative degree is a degree that is the highest degree होती है ये, ठीक है, of a thing in comparison. And superlative means that an object is surpassing. It means that object is or a thing is surpassing all others. Means nobody is in parallel with him. This thing or this object or this person is surpassing all others in his quality. Means उससे बढ़कर कोई भी नहीं है. For example, Rohan is the most intelligent student in the class. Is the most. I told you that the अक्सर लगता है इसमें. The most intelligent student in the class. So here we are talking about the whole class, and from the whole class we are talking that who is the most intelligent? Rohan is the most intelligent. Now most intelligent is the superlative degree. ठीक है. Now take one more example. Mostly the is used before the superlative degree, but sometimes prepositions in or of may be used. Mostly the is used in superlative degree, but sometimes prepositions like in and to, in or of, are also used. मोस्टली द यूज होता है, बट कई बार क्या होता है prepositions in and of भी superlative डिग्री में यूज होते हैं. नाउ वी विल सी हाउ. टेक वन एग्जाम्पल. मुकेश अंबानी इज रिचेस्ट पर्सन इन इंडिया. Mukesh Ambani is the richest person in India. Now here we are talking from our country, from whole of our country, and we are declaring that Mukesh Ambani is the richest person in India. The तो लगा ही है, the richest in India. ठीक है. Now take one more example. She is tallest of all three sisters. टॉलेस्ट हमारी सुपरलेटिव डिग्री आ गई. all the three. तो the तो आएगा ही, and we are talking from among the three sisters, she is the tallest. तो ऑफ भी लगा है यहाँ पे, ये देखिए ये ऑफ लगा है और the तो लगा ही है, ठीक है. She is the tallest of all the three sisters. Our generation is most technology savvy. Our generation is most technology savvy. Means जो हमारी generation है सभी generations में से, right, is the most technology savvy. कि हमारी generation सबसे ज़्यादा technology savvy है. Means we are talking from among the whole generations. His house is biggest in the street. Means उसका जो house है वो street में सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा है. Winter is the coldest time of the year. Now here we are talking about कि हमारा कौन सा जो season है सबसे coldest है from among the year, means in the full year. So when we are talking about the year, it is but obvious that कि हमें उसमें से पूरी year में से हमको coldest season निकालना है, तो हम वहाँ पे superlative degree ही लगाएंगे. Winter is the coldest time of the year means ये हमारा सबसे coldest time है year का. So here also of is used. So now degrees of adjective of quality. Maximum जो क्या है हमारी जो degrees हैं वो quality ही बताती हैं, ठीक है. So maximum जो है degrees हैं जो they tell us about the quality or the attribute or we can say the characteristic. So they are maximum formed by adding, they are formed by adding, like for example big, bigger, biggest. तो यहाँ पे ER लगा और यहाँ पे ES, तो ये है हमारी comparative degree. और ये हमारी superlative degree है. And this is the positive degree where there is no comparison. ठीक है ना. तो maximum तो ER और EST ही लगता है. Like great, greater, greatest. Great, greater, greatest. Usually EST ही लगता है, ER, EST. But some are like beautiful. अगर हम beautiful लिखें, beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. More and most. But some are irregular verbs like if I use here bad, तो bad का क्या होगा? Bad की जो डिग्री चेंज होती है वो हो जाती है worse and worst. Okay, it will not be used as more bad or most bad. No, it changes its forms completely, right? So this is an irregular degree. Bad, worse and worst. Irregular वो होते हैं, irregular forms of verbs वो होती हैं those who change their forms completely. But here like ER लग गया तो वो comparative बन गई और superlative बन गई. But here there are some adjectives which change their form completely and they are like bad, worse, worst. Then little, little. Now more little or most little नहीं होता है. Little, less, least. Little, less and least. So similarly we have one more word, many. So comparative degree will be more and the superlative degree will be the most. So likewise we change the forms of these degrees. So now we will discuss about, you have to write, make this chart in your notebook. आपने ये चार्ट अपना नोटबुक में बनाना है. Write about the positive degree, the main things, main features of positive degree, then the main features of comparative degree, and main features of the superlative degree, giving some examples. And then you come to this degrees of adjectives of quality, a comprehensive chart. You have to draw this chart in your notebook. Then we come to exercise number 1. So here we have to write the degrees. So first of all we will write the positive degree. Well. Second is handsome. Third is splendid. Fourth is wise. Fifth is cozy. Sixth is late. Seventh is far. Eighth is near. Ninth is bad. And 10th is much. So first of all we will do this, and then we will do the next 10. So this is the comparative degree here, and here it will be the positive, superlative degree. So first of all we will finish this now. What will be the comparative degree of this? यहाँ पे comparative आएगी और यहाँ पे आएगी superlative. वेल हम गुड भी लगा सकते हैं. अगर हमें गुड दिया हुआ है पॉजिटिव में, तो वेल और गुड के सेम होते हैं इन दैट कंपैरेटिव एंड. सो वेल, बेटर, बेस्ट. सो वेल की जगह यहाँ पर गुड भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, समझ रहे हैं आप? वेल या गुड, उनका कंपैरेटिव डिग्री बेटर, बेस्ट. हैंडसम, we will add more here. More handsome, most handsome. Splendid, more splendid. And most splendid. So you write down yourself. Splendid. Wise, wiser, wisest. Cozy, cozier, coziest. Late, later या latter, both are used. Latest. Far, farther या further, दोनों चलते हैं यहाँ पे. Far, farthest या furthest, both are used. Near, nearer, nearest. Bad, worse, worst. Much, more, most. So here I have solved all the 10. So you write down, and then you can write it in your note. You can do this in your notebooks also, this exercise. Okay, you can do this. Now the next 11th is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So 11th one is thick. Thick, interesting, moist, dry, moist, dry, then difficult, terrific, difficult, terrific, bulky, easy, lovely, honest, honest. So here we are going to write this comparative and here superlative. So thick, thicker, thickest, interesting, more interesting, and most interesting. Moist, moister, moistest, dry, drier, driest, difficult, more difficult, and most difficult. Terrific, more terrific, and most terrific. Bulky, bulkier, bulkiest, easy, easier, lovelier, more honest, easiest, loveliest, and most honest. So you can do these 20 adjectives, degrees of adjectives in your notebooks. You can write down. Fine? Don't ask me again and again in the group that ma'am we have to do this in the notebook or not. I am now telling you that you do this chart, complete this exercise number 1 in your notebooks at page number 62. ये आप अपनी notebooks में कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? Now we are going to do with the exercise number 2. Exercise number 2. Complete the following sentences by filling the blanks with the comparative forms of adjectives shown in the brackets. Follow the example. This room is dash than that one. This room is warmer than that one. So I think you can do this yourself. So this is your homework. Do it yourself. Okay?